What is happening, my Paris? What's happening? Blessed Sunday evening to you all, wherever you are. Long time in the cities. Checking in, me checking in, we didn't eat like my Sunday dinner. So, I just want to know, I just want to know that everything is okay with you. Hope you will just, you know, I'm not stay long in a little bit of food I have. So I'm just checking in, and me alone. Camera girl, she know well. I try to use the camera, but a while ago it show say the battery exhausted, even though I put in another set of battery, new batteries. But we don't know. So she said, Mom, let me just use the phone and just make it just shoot the video and done. So she not eat no food. Say hi, no camera girl.
Hey guys.
She stop up to a killer. So I'm just checking in with you to find to make sure that everything is okay and you're having a blessed evening. So may I have here this evening, may I have some oxtails. I may have some little mixed veg, you know, for little regular Jamaican vegetable. I may have little rice and peas. I just that may I have. So may I check in. I may eat with a little bit. Might not have all of it, but may I check in. But some of me say a little grace now. Sweet Holy Spirit, thank you for life, thank you for strength. And as I'm in your presence with my little YouTube family, I pray for health, I pray for strength, and also I pray for long life and provision. Give us strength that we can continue to work for our food. Dear God, I hope that wherever they are, whatever they and their families are having, you will bless it, and as it goes through their bodies and also this through mine, it will nurture our system through faith in your name. Amen. So, Paris, I got dig in a little other. I'm drinking like a flavored water, you see. I just drink it room temperature because before if I flu something, it'll go wrong. And we're having this weather. It is a strange weather. Really strange weather. Since morning. Like every 10 minutes, the time is so black and the rain drew down and it's chilly and you feel nice. And you know that little chill, you know that little cold feeling there? Like you want to stay indoors and just, you know, just cuddle. And then the sun comes back out hot in another 10 minutes. Hot and blazing and all of that. And then it goes back to the coolness and all of that. So I don't know. It was like blazing a while ago, it's back to it. So I'm not sure what is happening. This is a really strange weather. Really strange. But what happened for the all the weather, I know it get cold. But honestly, when I see the little coldness a while ago, well, since morning and a half, every time I see the coldness come, I want to run go cuddle in my bed. But then again, the sun comes out and we have got work to do. I'm never come with no napkin. I'm part of my table there, so we'll pack cake and something there, so I'm never come with no napkin in case I make mess. So I'm have to just careful how I eat. So I don't do well with Vlogmas. Maybe next year better. I don't keep up to the days then. Can't keep up, but I'm trying to keep up on the main channel with Jamma. So I eat oxtail now. So I cook oxtail and I upload it. Everybody have been waiting for that video. So I hope for my mouth not stripping a parika. I must say from 2014 I cook oxtail and I cook it again. And then the thing is, my husband is not fancy it. My girl not fancy it. I'll eat it, but not too often. I don't really eat beef a lot. We don't eat a lot of beef and so on. So I mix up, look at this. So I mix up, you see how the gravy rich. So I mix up my rice and peas, you know, inside of it. I don't have no sweet planting and them something that some people like it with it. But this is a long time this time. Don't you Parry, please comment. But I'm not telling you a lie. The oxtail really tastes good. It tastes like a somebody else cook it and I know me. I feel like I enjoy it. I must say I not do so well with the Vlogmas something because you're supposed to do a road and not show other things. What happened, but maybe I'm going to do better on further on. I miss a few of the days then, about 2 to 3 days. I think for 2 days I miss already, but I still hold the faith. And that's what I can. But I know you don't know what you don't accept it. Eh? So, I just want to say thanks to all of the new people them upstairs. Right. I don't like my oxtail that fall off of the bone. I lift it up so my sister fall off of the bone part. I don't like it. I like my meat more soft, I eat stuff of the bone, and then I just, you know, kind of chew on for my oxtail bone. How do you like your oxtail? This is a really nice little dinner for the longest while. And you know, when you don't eat these things so often, like when I eat this a long time, you enjoy it more, you know. See? And then when I'm done, I have my bone to go saka. You know them way the parry? So, I eat my food, just in pan. I kind of feel hungry to come and never make no breakfast. You know, some days in the world for breakfast, and then the weather so unstable. And I was doing some videos for the main channel. I mean, I try to keep up with dramas. No. But this little food I feel nice. I wish if sometimes some restaurant, I could have find some restaurant where I buy one little food that tastes like this. I don't know, I must say bad luck. Yeah, I don't know good food. It's fun coming out again. Well, I uploaded there the other day where I need help, and yes, my husband he stapler flying in the background. Parry, my husband outside working, so I'm stapling, so I'm staple in the background. So Parry, we go look napkin. If I make mess, I ask us if we slow down for the staple. You know, I file the staple a little. So I was telling you that I posted the other day when we need help with my eBay situation. So thank you all so much for your concern. Thank you for your suggestions, what I should do from what I should not do. Some people commented that when it comes to holiday, we did it before holiday in Paris. It was like from in September, way long before the Christmas, this whole Christmas thing come along. I think we did it from in the same time when Camera Girl, when Camera Girl, this is not a mukbang, sorry here if you're new right on over here, this is not our mukbang, that's not how we do our mukbang. If you go back to our earlier videos, you see that we normally eat Sunday evening, we used to eat Sunday evening dinner and talk and breakfast sometimes, but don't worry yourself, we'll come right back to that bigger and better. We're coming back, don't worry about it. So this is not one of our mukbangs, we have a mukbang, we do about 2 to 3 mukbangs now. So we're not going to drop them back to back though, because we don't want people to think say a mukbang channel, it's not a mukbang. But we come in with one soon, which is so long overdue. And somebody asked me for do mukbang salt mackerel and boiled bananas and hard-dough bread. But I'm gonna search up for your name and find out. Make you tell me what you know about the salt mackerel and boiled banana and hard-dough bread. It tastes nice in a family. Me not to lie. Me never know somebody like it. I never know. And all these years I eat green bananas and salt mackerel with bread. I mean, never know somebody else like it and appreciate it, and I'm gonna do it. I don't remember your name, but I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna search. But if you're watching this video, please comment and say something. I am going to do that mukbang before the year is out, because I was saying to myself, say, when the person comment, wow, I say somebody else did eat the green banana and the mackerel and the hard-dough bread too. Small worlding. So I was saying to you now with this whole eBay something. I was saying thanks to you all for responding to me and trying to help me and how to retrieve my money. Well, I called them, somebody gave me a number and I called them. So what I must say is, on the thing there, when I track it so far and I see it says by the 17th of December. From them time they from them left it out in a party, them give me the long date there. So they are saying I'm to wait until the 17th of December, that is for one of the transaction. And if me don't get it, then me can come back now and, you know, try to retrieve the money. The other one, they are not seeing it. So, I just wait there. So, thanks again, Parry. Thanks for helping me. No, I'm going to stop online now. And then the thing is, sometimes when you can't get things done here, you know, and you see look online, you try to do it and so on. But Thanks, Parry. So what has been happening with y'all? What one? All the Christmas? What one fun? So I'm not supposed to say about this in a comment. I say something myself. I take it easy. When me eat up my meat, I'm in the party, me put on my bone, because when me don't eat, I go around, go back to my bone, then I sit and take my time. And fat up my bone them. So we have part 1 of the oxtail video up already, and we are working on part 2 to put up now. So I hope you will go check that one out, how we prepare this oxtail. But are you a fan of oxtail? How many of you are a fan of oxtail? Probably it's expensive, $800 a pound. 800. And I bet me sweet life by next week it gone up because of Christmas. But it's good though. I was saying in the video there, look at me lose my touch because so long I not cook it. Oh God. But let me tell you, it's good, it's really good. I'm going to always share with you, say when I eat, when I cook, I can't enjoy my food, but it's good though. Really good. Yeah? I like my oxtail when I take it up, drop off for the bowl and I drop down. I like eat it off for the bowl and then I put it on my bowl. I like it drop down. Do it too soft. And then now, when you're dishing it, it just drop off on the bone and the meat, the one side and the pot and the bone them. What do you think about that, Parry? None of summer cook it. How do you do yours? I like it so, or do you like yours? Some people cook it until it comes right off the bone in the pot. And the oxtail, the meat, the one side and the bone. I don't like it like that. I like to present it. I like to sit on my plate with the bones. Then I eat around the bone and come back, come jump around. Well, I'm just checking with you. I don't want to not get too hungry because I'm not going to say I'm hungry now. So look here. Honestly, I let my finger down anymore. I'm going to check out with the front for now because there's so many little things to check in back with you all. I want to say thank you for your love. I want to say thank you for your support. And it has been a really long time we haven't eaten anything over here on the Jamaican Debbie strain. So I'm just wet on the palate now. So even though I'm wet on the palate, I'm going to cut out for now. I don't want to stay too long for say, Lord, Miss Debbie man, Lord. And try to remember this is not a mukbang. It's just a little Sunday evening dinner checking in. So, I hope you, it wasn't long I know, but I hope you just enjoyed a little, just a small one for you. So, I check out for now. Remember, it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Camera girl not well, but as soon as, you know, with exam and she have the flu and all of that, but as soon as she's better, she's coming back bigger and better.